It's so wonderful place to walk.
In the desert. That was a quarter mile of
How do you feeling, Tina?
and then, you know,
How do you feeling? Good? Good, fantastic. Let's go. You fun?
Gotta be good.
Almost we are at the sea. Can you see that? We are almost going to the sea.
Have you ocean before? Yeah.
I have. How do you feel, Isaiah?
I feel okay.
You feel okay? Oh, when I climb that hill, can we see the sea?
Yep.
Oh, we are waiting for that. I'm so excited now. How do you feel, Tina?
Very good.
Oh, it became very good. Oh, Greta is running. He really wants to see the sea. Aren't you, Greta? Here we go, buddy. Oh, it's kind of so wonderful. Oh, how do you feel, John and Tom? How do you feel?
good.
Very good. It's so beautiful. See ya soon.